Welcome back to Learn by Rahul, and today we are going to discuss about how we can do the automation testing using the ChatGPT. Might be it is new for you, so you can watch my video. What is the exactly the ChatGPT and how it is work? So you can prefer this video. Okay. So let's come to the again our topic. So please watch my video up to end, so you will get a proper understanding what is the use of ChatGPT in automation testing. Okay. So let's start. Let's suppose I want to write a script to launching the browser using the Selenium WebDriver. So if we use like the real time, we open the Eclipse and write the code one by one. Okay, we can't do the copy and paste. Okay, but with the help of the Chat GPT, it is very easy. How? Let's suppose I want a script to launching the browser using Selenium WebDriver. Okay, I'm asking this. And here you can see here is a Python script to launch the Google Chrome browser using Selenium WebDriver. And it will show the proper explanation. Here you can see from Selenium import WebDriver, create an instance of Chrome driver. Okay, so this is the what the Python script. But if you don't want to Python, you just simply type it what I need it in Java. Okay, it's just like the chat. We are chatting here. Okay, so just clicking on it, and here is the code of Java and with proper explanation. Here you can see this is properly explained. Okay, in this code snippet we first import the WebDriver and Chrome driver classes from the org.openqa.selenium package. See here, properly explained here every single code. Okay, what is the system.set property? So here we then set the path of the Chrome driver executable using the system.set property method. Replace path to Chrome driver with the actual path of the. So even a single line and single code is described very well. But suppose if you are not satisfied with this code, you can regenerate it. This is the power of the Chat GPT. Okay. So this is very simple nowadays because we are very doing the hassle problem like typing the single code like system dot property. Okay, but here just you can copy and paste it in the Eclipse. Okay, let me take another example. Suppose now I need code for Windows handling pop-up. Okay, now let's see. So we don't need to describe in more because he knows or she knows very well what are the topic we are discussing it. Okay, but so here you can see properly driver DOS to Windows and okay, but if we are like doing these things on Google, okay, so we can't understand what is the exactly mean. Okay, but the Chat GPT knows very well what the user want to it. Okay, so this is the same phase. So here you can see the code that properly explained in the single code. We are like a human and we do like the error and we need to search it again. But here a single error not be found. Okay. So this is all about the ChatGPT. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and keep watching my video. And if you have any doubt and query, you can comment. Thank you.